Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Use 1 cup vegetable oil and 1 cup flour to make a dark roux in a jar. Measure ingredients into a wide-mouth quart jar so the mixture can move freely. Seal the lid tightly. Shake jar vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes to combine, then microwave 30 seconds and stir. Continue cycles of shaking and 30-second microwaves, watching color carefully. Repeat microwave cycles until roux is deep chocolate brown, about 6 to 8 minutes total. Cool completely before storing. Use within 7 days refrigerated. Sauté 2 cups chopped onion, 1 cup celery, 1 cup bell pepper in 4 tablespoons oil until soft. Use a heavy pot and medium heat. Sweat the vegetables without browning to build a sweet base. Add 3 cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon thyme, 2 bay leaves, and 1 tablespoon Creole seasoning and cook 1 minute to bloom the spices. Stir in 32 ounces chicken stock and 1 jar, about 1 cup of prepared roux from the jar, whisking to incorporate fully. Simmer gently for 15 minutes to marry flavors. Add 1 pound chicken, 1 pound andouille or shrimp, simmer 20 to 30 minutes until cooked through. If using raw shrimp, add in the last 6 minutes to avoid overcooking. If using dark meat chicken, simmer until tender. Adjust seasoning with salt, 1 teaspoon filet powder, and 2 tablespoons Worcestershire. Add 1 tablespoon hot sauce if desired to balance heat and acidity. Skim fat if needed. Serve over 2 cups cooked white rice per 4 servings, and garnish with sliced green onions and parsley for brightness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.